Hi, it's me, Sir Henrik. In this video, I will explain the third type of partial fractions. Before I begin this lesson, please click like and subscribe for this video. Afterward, take your pen and your notebook and let's study with me. On my previous video, I have explained it. First type of partial fractions and second types of partial fractions. Now we are going to discuss three questions and answer of three types partial fractions. The first question is express these algebraic expressions in partial fraction. Partial fraction types 3, such as this one, 1 over x plus p times x squared plus q, identical to a over x plus p plus bx plus c over x squared plus q. Okay. Let's find the solutions of this problem. 13x squared plus 2x minus 13 over x plus 2, 2x squared minus 1. Okay. According to this rule, we may write down like this. A, okay, according to this rule, a over x plus 2, okay, plus bx plus c over 2x squared minus 1, like this. Okay. Now, the numerator 13x squared plus 2x minus 13, okay, yeah, 13x squared plus 2x minus 13 identical to, we are going to calculate this term with multiply by 2x, yeah, 2x squared, 2x squared minus 1, okay. So it becomes, if a times this denominator times this denominator times 2x squared minus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. 2x squared minus 1. Okay. If you multiply by this x plus 2 and 2x squared minus 1, this term becomes, this fractions, yeah, a becomes a times 2x squared minus 1, like this, okay, plus bx plus c times x plus 2. Like this, okay? And 13x squared plus 2x minus 13 identical to times 2ax squared Afterwards, a times 1 minus a. And this one bx times x. Bx squared. Okay. After times x times 2, it becomes 2bx. 2bx. And c times x afterwards equals cx. And c times 2 plus 2c. Okay. Continue our expansions becomes factorizing 2a plus b. 2a plus b x squared. Okay. And next, for x. For x coefficient, plus here, x, which one? This x, 2b, x, and cx. Means 2b plus c x. Okay. And next, minus a plus minus a plus 2c. Okay. Without b. Plus 2c here. Okay. So 13x squared plus 2x minus 13 identical to these expressions. 2a plus bx squared plus 2b plus cx plus minus a plus 2c. Okay. Now, if x equal negative 2, because this one, this denominator, the multiplier of this denominator x plus 2, it means x minus 2. If x minus 2, okay. If minus 2 we submit into these equations, okay, into these equations, it's 1 negative 2, yeah, and it becomes negative 2, 13 times 4 minus 4 minus 13, 50. Okay, it becomes 35. Yeah. 13 times 4, 52. Okay, 35. Yeah. 35 equal this one 2 times 4, 8 minus 1, 7, so it means 7a. Okay, 7a. This one, if x equal to, it becomes 0. Okay, it becomes 0 because negative 2, I mean negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, 0 times bx plus c, 0. So 35 equals 7a. It means a equal 35 over 7. How much? 5. Okay. A equal 5. If a equal 5, we may find the b. Okay, we will find b. Pay attention that to a plus b x squared, and this coefficients of x squared, and 13 is coefficients of x squared as well. So it means 2a plus b equal 13. Yeah. So 2 times 5 plus b equal 13. 10 plus b equal 13. So it means b equal 13 minus 10. B equal 3. Okay, so A is 5, B is 3. Now we're gonna find C. Yeah. C, like this one, this equation is -1, negative A plus 2C equal -13. So it means negative A plus 2C, okay, equal negative 13. 13 without x, and also negative A plus 2C without x, the constant. A how much? A 5. It means negative 5 plus 2C, negative 13. 2C equal negative 13 plus 5, negative 8. Okay. Yeah. So C equal negative 8 over 2, negative 4. A equal 5, B equal 3, and C equal negative 4. So these expressions 13x squared plus 2x minus 13 over x plus 2 times 2x squared minus 1 identical to, or we make convert into this partial fraction. A how much? A 5 over x plus 2, okay, plus b how much? B equal 3. It means 3 over 2x, bx plus c. It means 3x plus c. C it is minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Yeah. According to this rule, 2x squared minus 1. So the partial fraction of these expressions is 5 over x plus 2 plus 3x minus 4 over 2x squared minus 1. Okay, let's continue for the next problem. This 1 minus 5x minus 2x squared over 1 minus x times x squared plus 2. Okay. We may convert into these partial fractions according to this rule, a over a over 1 minus x. Okay. Afterwards plus, based on this rule, bx plus c over x squared plus 2. Okay, and next denominator becomes 1 minus 5x, equations of numerator, 2x squared, identical to a times this denominator, plus 2, and plus bx plus c times 1 minus x. Okay. If, now I'm going to find a first. Okay. If x equal 1, this according to this expressions, if x equal 1, this x equal 1, this x equal 1, it becomes, wait, 1, okay, negative 6. Negative 6 equal, it becomes 0 because 1 minus 1, 0. If it is x equal 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3a. Okay. So a equal negative 6 over 3 equal negative 2. Okay. And next we are going to expand these equations. Okay. If you're going to find b and c, okay. 1 over 5x minus 2x squared identical to ax squared, a times 2, 2a, afterwards bx times 1. That's bx, and bx times x, negative bx squared, c times 1, equal 1c, and c times negative x, negative cx. Okay. Factorize a minus b. Yeah, 4x squared. So a and minus b, x squared, bx and cx, negative cx. It means plus b minus c x. Because x to a plus c, okay, plus 2a plus c. Okay. Yeah. 1 minus 5x minus 2x squared. A equal minus 2. The coefficients of x squared here, a minus b, and the coefficients of x squared here at the left side, equal minus 2. It means a minus b equal negative 2, minus 2. A equal negative 2, it means negative 2 minus b equal negative 2. Okay, so b equal negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Yeah, b equals 0. Now C, like this. Yeah. b minus c x is negative 5x. It means b minus c minus 5. 0 minus 5. Okay. It means c equal 5. Okay. A equal negative 2, B equal 0, and C equal 5. So these expressions, 1 minus 5x minus 2x squared over 1 minus x times x squared plus 2, the partial fraction is these expressions. Okay. I'm gonna write down here 1 minus 5x 2x squared over 1 minus x times x squared plus 2. Okay, identical to a over, according to this rule, okay, a over 1 minus x plus bx, 0x, it means 0. No need to writing 0. C how much? C5. 5. A equal negative, so it means negative 2 here. Okay, sorry, negative 2, that one. A is negative 2. Okay, negative 2 here. Okay, negative 2, this one. Oh, wait, negative 2. Yeah. Okay, negative 2 over, this one, 5 over x squared plus 2. Okay, so the partial fractions of these expressions is minus 2 over 1 minus x plus 5 over x squared plus 2. All right, let's move to the next question. 7x over 7x minus 4x squared. Okay. 4x squared over 3 minus x squared x minus 2 is identical to, according to this rule, okay, a over x minus 2. Yeah. This expression is not this one. And plus bx plus c over 3 minus x squared. Okay, like this. And now the numerator becomes 7x minus 4x squared identical to a times 3 minus x squared. Okay, this plus bx plus c, okay, times x minus 2. Okay, like this. Yeah. And next is numerator. We may expand actually, but better if we find A or B, A, we find A first. X minus 2, it means if X equal to, okay, if X equal to, it 14 minus 16. Okay, 14 minus 16, yeah, it means 1. Okay, 1 here, okay. And then, yeah, 7 times 2, 14. 14 minus, oh, sorry, 2. 14 minus 16, yeah. Minus 2, I mean. 14 minus, yeah, 14 minus 16. Minus 2 equal, if this x2, okay, this term becomes 0. Okay, so A, it means this term becomes A times 3 minus 4. Okay, or minus A. Okay, minus A. It means A equal to, okay, A equal to. If A equal to, now let me expand this. X minus 4x squared A times 3, 3A. A times x squared, ax squared. Bx times x, bx squared. Okay. Afterwards, bx times negative 2, negative 2bx. C times x plus cx. C times negative 2, negative 2c. And then x squared, it means negative a plus b. X squared, okay. Now x, cx, and negative 2bx minus 2bx, or plus, I mean, this one plus first, plus minus 2b plus c x here, okay. It was x 3a and 2c, okay, plus 3a minus 2c, okay, 7x minus 4x squared. Recall that a equal 2. The coefficients of x squared here, negative a minus negative a plus b, while the coefficients of x squared here, minus 4. So it means minus a plus b equal minus 4. It means negative 2 because a equal 2. Negative 2 plus b equal negative 4. So b equal negative 4 plus 2, negative 2. A equal 2, b negative 2. Now c. Look, the negative b plus c, x is the coefficients of x. 7 also coefficients of x. So it means negative 2b plus c equal 7. b equal negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. C equal 7. So C equal 7 minus 4 or 3. So A equal 2, B equal negative 2, C equal 3. So the partial fraction of these expressions, the partial fraction of 7x minus 4x squared over 3 minus x squared times x minus 2 identical to A, how much? A, 2. 2 over x minus 2. B, how much? B, negative 2. Yeah. It means plus negative 2x plus 3. Plus 3. Okay, here plus 3 over 3 minus x squared. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay, students, if you have any questions or maybe some of you not understand yet, you may send me your email through this email, hendrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you for joining with me in this lesson. See you.